Hi there, I'm John Kierstead from Arctic Spas with another video. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about the app. A lot of people have been posting online in the owners group that they've been having difficulties with the app. So there's a couple things that I wanted to point out. One is from time to time, manufacturers of these apps, or actually the hardware of the phones or tablets, they upgrade and they change something. So apps that used to work suddenly don't work. And then of course the developers of these apps are, rapidly trying to type and create new code to make them work with the new features and stuff of the hardware company. So there's sometimes this problems where something that worked for you before suddenly doesn't work. So one of the options that you have, of course, is that pretty much everything you can do in the app, you can do from the keypad on the actual spa. You can just go to the keypad and there's different ways you can go in there and do those things. But if you're one of those people that says, no, I really like to be able to do this from my couch or sitting on the porch or whatever, you just want to use your phone from work because you don't want to do work, you can take a look at your spa. Well, the interesting thing is that with the Arctic Spas web portal, it's called myarcticspa.com. With the web portal, you can do almost everything you can do in the app with the portal. So when you look at the app, you'll see, oh, someone's commenting there. When you look at the app, if you look at the Spa Boy feature, right, or you look at the, the first one which shows you the temperature and your pumps and stuff, I can control my pumps here. I'm turning on Caroline's hot tub. Now the pumps are on. People are wondering what's going on because we're doing this remotely. This spa is several kilometers away from us here. Okay, so we're controlling it there. Now what's interesting is that if I put this in the portal, I'm access this because at Arctic Spas, we have, as technicians, we have the ability to look at our customers' hot tubs. So I've got Blaine Castle, that's Caroline's husband. He's the one that's registered on here. So when I go into the main one here, when I turn a pump on, I can do the same function as she could when she was pressing the button there, so with the app. So this is from the portal, that's with the app. Now with the app, you kind of scroll back and forth between Spa Boy. So when it shows the Spa Boy, you can see the readings and stuff here. But basically everything that you can do in the app, you can do from the portal as well. So if you're finding you're not able to use the app for some reason, try the portal. Now the advantage to the portal also is this is browser based. So this will work in Safari, Chrome, I think Firefox, Explorer, several of the different browsers, but those browsers can work from pretty much any computer device. You could use a computer, like a laptop, you could use your home computer, or you could use your tablet, or you could use the smartphone. Most of us are using smartphones these days, which has a browser in it. So you just log in. In fact, I'll log out, and then I'm going to log back in here so you can see. Log back in, and I just go in here, and I'm going to log back in. And as I was saying, we have all of our customers on here, so there's a lot of customers. Let me, oops. It's pretty fast. It should be Blaine, there it is right there. So we're back at it. So I logged in, now I'm in the portal. So its functionality is really the same. And the other nice thing about both the app and the portal is your documentation, so your quick sheets. You can see across the top, actually I'll turn this sideways, you can see a little bit better. Settings, documentation, error codes, all of that information is there. There's also this diagnostics one. You really can't do as much stuff here as we can, but we can go into diagnostics and we can see all this other stuff. That's one of the back doors for the technicians that allows us to see what's going on with your spa. And we can determine things like, is your Spa Boy coming on when it should? Is your probe giving weird readings and stuff like that? We can check this stuff here and do a bunch of other stuff that you really can't do as customers. There's the power management, there's different features. All of those features that you can do from the app, you can also do from the portal. And that's really all we wanted to show you in this video, is that you could actually use the portal instead of the app. I'm John Kierstead for Arctic Spas. This has been another video.